and all my dear friends. My name is Umaira Fatma of class 3 from B.M.Public School. Today I am going to recite a poem about bird talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people. Good morning, respected principal, sir, teacher, judges, and all my dear friends. My name is Umaira Fatma of class 3 from B.M.Public School. Today I am going to recite a poem about bird talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat bitters. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Thank you.
Next student.